Hello, Amir here. This is the monthly expense tracker sheet. Here in the master sheet, we have the date, the expense description, the category, the actual expense, and then this is the drop-down menu. And the drop-down menu, the values are pulled from this table. Whatever you will enter here, it will be automatically appear in the category. Then these are monthly sheets where the expense will automatically be pulled in. You won't have to write anything. And then we have these 12 monthly sheets where we have the graphs, and in the master sheet we have the graphs. This is the expense by category, this is the graph by category, and different other kinds of graphs. And we have also functionality to change the color or theme of the whole system. For example, if we want this and then font color this, we will click the replace and the whole theme will be automatically updated in all the monthly sheets as well as the master sheet.